Welcome back to Tech Unbox Pro, and today we are taking a deep look at the Nokia King 5G, a smartphone that clearly shows Nokia's serious comeback in the flagship market. Right from the design, Nokia King 5G looks premium and solid. The build quality feels strong, which is something Nokia has always been famous for. The phone sits comfortably in the hand and gives a true flagship vibe with its modern finish and clean design language. Now let's talk about the display. Nokia King 5G comes with a large, vibrant screen that delivers sharp colors and excellent brightness. Whether you're watching videos, scrolling social media, or playing games, the viewing experience feels smooth and immersive, making it perfect for daily use. Performance is another strong point of this device. Powered by a powerful 5G processor, Nokia King 5G handles multitasking, gaming, and heavy apps without any lag. Apps open quickly, gameplay feels smooth, and overall performance stays stable even during long usage sessions. The camera setup on Nokia King 5G is impressive. The main camera captures detailed photos with natural colors, while the secondary sensors help with depth and wide shots. For video lovers, the camera delivers stable and clear footage, making it a great choice for content creators and everyday users. Battery life is where Nokia King 5G truly shines. With a large battery capacity, this phone easily lasts a full day on heavy use. Fast charging support ensures you don't have to wait long to get back to 100%, which is extremely useful in daily life. In terms of software, Nokia King 5G runs on a clean Android experience, free from unnecessary apps. This means smoother performance, better battery optimization, and timely updates. Overall, Nokia King 5G is a powerful, reliable, and well-balanced smartphone that offers strong performance, a great camera, and excellent battery life. If you're looking for a dependable 5G phone in 2026, this device is definitely worth considering. This was Tech Unbox Pro. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other Nokia fans.